Hi folks, Chris here, back with a new hiking adventure. Today, for the first time, I'm going to take Ulriken banen. It's Ulriken cable car. It goes from the bottom of Bergen City up to the highest mountain in around Bergen. There are 7 mountains surrounding Bergen City, and the one we're going to take now is the highest one. I think it was 643 meters above sea level. The cable cars has been closed down for I think around a year now, and it just opened this month, so I'm going to take you on that journey from the bottom to the top. So let's go. We're almost down at the station. There is not a lot of parking space there, so I had to park far up in the mountain and hike back down. So here I am, far up in the mountains of Ulriken. I've been walking for a while inwards, away from the main area of the cable car, and trying to find some composition and motives for my photography. Today I'm adventure hiking, if I can call it that. It's a combination of scouting for future compositions or areas that I can take photography, and also trying to make a video, because the last video was 2nd of October, and that was a light festival, so it was more a montage of light festival photography. The link is up here if you want to see it. Very nice artistic use of light from the artist from Bergen City. So I just captured it in my camera and did some slight edit and put my artistic output on it and made a video. Today I'm, as I said, at Ulriken. The new Ulriken opened this month, and it's been closed for 1 year. Ulriken is with Fløien, one of the most popular areas that tourists come to when they come to Bergen, because they get high up in the mountains and they can see all over the Bergen City and far in the horizon. As you can see here with the sunset, if you can see it, it's very nice. It's going down in the west or over there, so it's a very nice place to be at in the evening. But today it's very windy. I had my drone with me. I was hoping to make some drone videos and make a nice montage of Ulriken, but when I came up here I knew that that was a no-no. Running montage. Hopefully you want to subscribe, like, and tick the bell, or you know what to do if you want to. I appreciate it very much if you do. So have a good day and take care of each other, everyone. See you in my next video. Thank you.